Hey everybody. I'm still on my quarantine hair. I'm not used to having this much hair. I'm not. So, how have you been since my last video? I hope you've been doing good. Right now, I am excited because I got another box of Design Essential products. Why? Because your girl is still a product junkie. Ain't nothing changed. Ain't nothing changed. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. So in the wake of me getting these products, I wanted to come on and do a quick unboxing. I think I got about 6 products from Design Essentials. I think it's about 6 products I got. And I want to show you what I got. So this is how, oh, it might have been 4. Okay. Alrighty, I don't know. It might have been 4. Okay. So, we're going to see what we, oh, it was 6. No, it was 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it was 6. I thought it was 4. I got 6. I'm a junkie. First, we got the almond and avocado. I keep saying avocado. What is an avocado? There's no such thing as an avocado. I got the almond and avocado anti-frizz and moisturizing finishing spray. This is from the natural. This is from the natural collection. So it is free from parabens, phthalates, silicones, mineral oil, and gluten. So it's for natural hair. It's geared towards natural hair. It doesn't mean it's a total organic or natural product, but it is for natural hair. So that's good. We got that. Then we also got the Compositions Foaming Wrap Lotion because I don't really put gel in my hair anymore. So I use mousses and I use like Nairobi, which I love. Nairobi. I can't talk today. Nairobi is like one of the absolute best, but today we're talking about Design Essentials. So I got the Design Essentials Compositions Foaming Wrap Lotion with coconut oil and wheat protein. Then I also got the Design Essentials Marshmallow Extract Styling Mousse. And this is from the Platinum Collection. Marshmallow, is it from, I think it's from, it has a medium hold. So yeah, this is a styling mousse. I love foams. I like foams because I don't use gel in my hair anymore. I might use something around the edges or something, but honestly, between my leave-in conditioners and things like my foaming wrap lotion from Paul Mitchell, I don't really need to put gel in my hair anymore. So then we also have the Design Essential Kukui and Coconut Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner, because you know how much I love leave-in conditioners. You know I love a leave-in. I love leave-ins. Got that. Next, we got from the Platinum Collection, Deep Moisturizing Shampoo. So like I told you before, I didn't buy the shampoo when I got the last shipment because I'm not big on shampoos, but I figured if I'm going to use all of it, I would use it. So I got the Deep Moisturizing shampoo with coconut oil, which is step 1 in the Platinum Collection. And last but not least, I got the Almond and Avocado Anti-Frizz Curl Defining Gel. So this is the kind of gel I will use, right? Something like that. See how it moves? I don't use gel like in a jar anymore that's like stiff or whatever. I don't know. I just feel like, for one, it takes too long for my hair to dry. That's number 1. It takes too long. Number 2, it takes too long for my hair to dry. And it's kind of heavy. It doesn't let me keep any volume because my hair is so soft. Speaking of, I need to tell you about that. Let's see what this consistency is on this gel. Oh, does it have a... No, it doesn't. Okay. Let's see what the consistency of this gel is. Not bad. Ooh, it's very light. Ooh, that's light. See, I can do stuff like that. Liquid gels, things like this. But gel in a jar that hold your hair down and slice it, no, I don't do that anymore. Ooh, it smells good. It smells so good. It smells good. It smells good. Oh, that smells really good. It smells good. It smells really good. So those are the products that I got. I can't wait to try them. And just so you know, from the last time I got on, honestly, my hair is still so soft. The only thing that I've put in it was, and I'm going to show you, the only thing that I did put in it since then was I sprayed it. Let's see if it's down here. I sprayed it with the frizz stuff. Is this it? Here it is. I sprayed it with the Almond and Avocado Daily Curl Revitalizer. That's what I used. I used that to just, you know, kind of just soften it up and keep it moisturized before I go outside to go walking or whatever. But honestly, my hair has, I mean, it still feels, it may not look that great, but it feels amazing. When I tell you my hair feels so good, it feels so good. So I'm still rocking with Design Essentials for now. And so far, I have not been let down. It doesn't matter what product of theirs that I use. I have not been let down yet. My hair responds really well to whatever line it is, whether it's the natural line, the volume line, the composition, you know, like the compositions. This line is the, well, it says it's new and improved, and it says it's for relaxed and natural hair. Most of the products are. So I'm really pleased. And of course, it's quarantine and, you know, we're still dealing with this whole thing. So I just I need my products, and I love getting products. Instead of me buying things that I can't afford and getting myself into debt or further into debt, it's best for me to do things that make sense. And hair products make sense. I have hair, I do my hair, so it makes sense for me to get products. So I hope everyone is doing okay. I hope that you're doing well. We're in the middle of some serious unrest in our country right now. And to be honest, we all have a viewpoint. We all have some type of opinion about it. But at the end of the day, I don't want anyone to ever think that you don't have a voice. You do have a voice in this world. You do have a voice. And if you have something to say, you have every right to speak up and say it. If you're hurting, you have every right to hurt. You have every right to not be okay for that moment or for that period in time. You have every single right. But don't be disrespectful. And, you know, it's not good for us to be disrespectful. It's not good for us to channel our rage and our outrage and our anger and our frustration in ways where we can be a harm to someone else. You always want to be able to handle yourself in a way where you're exuding grace and where your words are seasoned with salt and where your words bring life as opposed to tearing someone down. So you can still be expressing your anger and expressing your frustration and still do it in a spirit of love. Even in anger, you can still do it in love. Get your point across and let someone know, I'm still here for you. I'm still your sister. I'm still your brother. So I just want y'all to be encouraged in that and know that no matter where you are, no matter what's going on, this too shall pass. We will get through this. Things will never be the same, but the only thing we can do is pray that it will be better. And that's what I'm praying for. So this is Tanisha Ronay, blessed and moving forward. Just here to say, I love you. I love you. I love you. I don't have to know you to love you, but I do so very much. You are a special occasion. Be blessed and keep it moving forward. Mwah. Get you some Design Essentials, child.